compressor. But, well, I know where it's at, just the blades. Let's see what's right there. This is a, can't, this thing's kind of beat up. I can't really see, but it's, I can't see. It's like faded. This is a Goodman unit. I don't know, I'm not sure what ton it is, but it's just if I were to guess, it's like a 5 ton. I don't know. This is just like a 2 ton, 3 ton. This is the back. This is the front of the house. Like the main part of the house. This is like the back bedrooms. Like just like the back bedrooms and hallway. Oh, I really don't know if you can see. This is a heat pump. They're both heat pumps. I'm trying to look. I can't really, hold on. There's like spider webs, you can't really walk back here. I'll try to go the other way. But I'm not sure if this one's totally on. But I can get a good look at the compressors on this one. But I can't, can't tell. I can't really see the label from here. But there is a heat pump. There are your coils. I don't know if you can focus. It's not focused. Oh, there you go. There are your coils for the refrigerant. I think that's your something. That blue thing. I'm trying to find the heat pump. Like, I don't know. I'm trying to find it. It doesn't really say, does it? But this is a heat pump. I can't really tell if this has heat. I can't really tell what's on the heat pump is. They're both heat, but I can't tell like the heat compressor, or whatever you want to call it. It's my second central video. I used to just record window units all the time. I'll start doing these for you. Logo. Here's the other one. There's sets of core right now, obviously. Yeah, it's that one. They're pretty quiet. You don't really hear it inside, unless you're like in the other. Unless you're in the. Oh, there's your shutdown. Those are the window units. That's that. Okay.